Inside Aston Martin F1 Headquarters Tivez, here's how Formula One race cars are assembled with extreme precision.
This is the next-gen process in action. Thousands of precision components, all cataloged and tracked in...
In the world of Formula One, microscopic tolerances are everything.
Slowly now, watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. Where do they want it exactly?
Bay 3, right next to the inspection station.
The telemetry shows a spike right here.
Let's cross-reference that with the updated schematic layout.
The F1 suspension upright is a work of art.
Ensure the vacuum seal is completely flush before we initiate the cycle.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady at 2.5 bar.
This safety-critical reinforcement around the cockpit requires over 400 individual layers of carbon fiber.
By evacuating the air, the 400 layers of carbon fiber are compressed tightly together before the critical autoclave curing phase. Once sealed, the heavy locking mechanisms engage, ensuring the structural integrity required for Formula One. Weighing just 35 kilograms, this structural survival cell can withstand impacts over 200 miles per hour.
this extreme close-up.
These highly optimized components represent the pinnacle of our design philosophy, ensuring maximum downforce with minimal drag.
In this pictures. The wheel bearing is integrated into the carbon fiber upright, followed by the meticulous fitting of the brake caliper. The each bearing allows precise articulation with zero tolerance and zero play, essential for racing precision.
Precision is paramount. Here we apply exactly 45.0 Newton meters of torque to the titanium fasteners, ensuring optimal performance and safety.
Okay, easy now.
Clear on the left.
Clear.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin.
These are the dog rings, the critical engagement mechanisms that enable sub-50 millisecond gear changes in Formula One.
Torque is confirmed on all mounts.
And the system check is green. We have full electronic control.
These carbon-carbon discs, seen here being assembled, operate at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius.
This is the heart of the operation. Every single component you see here has a 6-week build time, showcasing the precision required for Formula One.
Clear on the left. Just a fraction lower, steady. Gap is closing, watch the loom.
The precise alignment of the engine mount with the carbon fiber monocoque is critical.
Using a calibrated digital torque wrench, the mechanic secures the spherical bearings, ensuring the precise suspension geometry required for the monocoque.
How are the temps looking?
Holding steady at 985. Proceed.
Every connector on the F1 harness must be seated perfectly. We listen for that decisive click.
The rapid deployment of the wheel gun is critical. This central locking mechanism allows the team to secure the tire in milliseconds. The extreme temperatures generated during the dyno run caused the titanium alloy to glow intensely, a testament to the efficiency of the exhaust system.
The transformation complete, from raw materials to race-ready car.
The dramatic lighting highlights the intricate carbon weave and the iconic Aston Martin wings, emphasizing the fusion of engineering and brand identity.
The air intake, crafted from exquisite carbon fiber, funnels air directly to the Mercedes-AMG power unit beneath the driver.
This is the next-gen process, where aerodynamic engineering creates massive downforce through the underbody design.
Okay, Hannon's device secured. Confirming radio connection.
Tightening the straps now.
Okay, Lance, exiting the garage now. Pit lane is clear. Mind the limiter through the zone.
Six weeks of intense build time, over 500 dedicated personnel, and 15